Virginia, a land still haunted by the ideals it wrote. As Monticello expands in marvel and meaning, another struggle unfolds in its shadows. A woman once whispered about in Paris now walks these halls in silence, carrying history within her. When runaways are hunted and caught, Sally witnesses how the same hand that wrote liberty now enforces law. Her world reveals a truth the new republic won't face. Freedom for some means fear for others.
I read every word over and over. I'm so happy that you're coming home soon, and I cannot wait to be by your side.
Sally, where else has nature spread so rich a mantle under the eye but at Monticello? I wonder what majesty rides above the storms, how sublime to look down into the workhouse of nature. Oh, Sally, I long to be with you on our little mountain.
He's talking about Monticello, Henry.
Peritonitis made me ill.
Polly? Why, you look ravishing.
Oh, call me Maria. Polly is so childish. Sister, you look very sophisticated. I've missed you so. Where is everybody? Some tea? Sally, were you not informed of my arrival? Where is Betty? Oh, Mr. Randolph, I need a drink of water, please.
Yes, dear.
It's dreadfully hot in here. Oh. Where is... My inside's burning. Oh! Sally, help me, please. Oh! Help me!
When Martha's child was stillborn, Mr. Jefferson left Washington immediately to be by her side, but was unable to attend the funeral.
Hedgehogs be not seen, newts and blindworms do no wrong. Come not near our fairy queen, weaving spiders, come not here. Hence, you long-legged spinners, hence, beaters.
Jesus, help me! Help me! The dog is loose on me. I stole. I did. And he beat me. Now he want me dead. Oh, Jesus, help me! Help me get to the
river. The river, Henry. Help me get us to the river.
Just cross the river through the shallows. Don't be afraid, just follow it. You hike by day and you travel by night.
Don't run. Just stay here. Let them come to us.
The river becomes both sanctuary and sentence. As enslaved bodies flee toward its shallows, the law follows with ropes and guns. Jefferson demands order. Sally demands humanity.
We belong
Their confrontation isn't about one plantation. It's about a country deciding what property really means. When Jefferson builds Monticello's dome, we see what America builds its progress upon. In the quilt of the Hemings family, freedom is sewn from memory, not permission.
I warn you, sir. I am the property that tell Mr. Jefferson.
Step back there, Brent. Step back. We'll clear this up. Mr. Jefferson, sir, these two were down to the river helping one of mine escape.
Untie my servants at once.
I'm gonna have to get $800, sir. Or, maybe we could settle. I admire your taste, sir.
Dare you? Get off my property now. I will kill you with my bare hands. Come here, Sally.
They would have killed her.
This plantation is not a refuge for runaway slaves.
I cannot stand by and see another slave hunted like an animal.
Now listen to me, Sally. This is the law, and it is common sense. And what is more, you will do as I say. Good morning, Miss Hemings. I neglected to mention last night that despite my reputation as a consummate politician, I was unable to get a single policy enacted during my stay in the capital. And therefore, I have handed my resignation in to the president. Sally, I am home for good. Now, I have decided to build you a room in this house. Perhaps you would care to peruse the design. Spirited discourse requires privacy, and so do you and I. Sanctum sanctorum. Oh, a beautiful day in the Piedmont. Oh.
The next 4 years were filled with happiness and growth. Martha had another baby, a girl, and so did I. The promise of Monticello seemed within Mr. Jefferson's grasp, and he reveled in it.
Guide our hands as we seek to redefine our environment. What is our environment, Hemings? Our environment is that in which we live. Move aside, let us not stand in the path of progress. Behold, the new Monticello. See, we shall demolish the front facade, most of the second story. We shall widen the house, which will be crowned by this dome, through which we may see the heavens at play. It will be built on the same principle as the great Roman temple at Vesta, as interpreted by the French at Les Halles aux Bled.
It's the next 20 years of your life, boy.
Betty, my dear, what is this ornate creation?
Master Jefferson, this is the Hemings family quilt. This is my mother from Africa, my father, old Captain Hemings, my two children, Sally, Critter, their daddy, Master Wales, his daughter, Martha, your late wife, Sally's half-sister. This is my boy, James.
Time marches on,
Critter's
and
boy,
Jefferson's monuments rise higher.
Jamie.
He resigns from office,
Peter,
promising peace. But his
and
peace
Robert,
is not hers.
and Sally,
For Sally,
and your two
home
little ones,
is a room built from
Tom,
compromise,
and Edie,
close enough to comfort, far enough to remain invisible. Monticello becomes more than a home. It is
Well, my
America
children,
in miniature, beautiful
come and try
broken.
my latest
The
invention.
people inside it
This
remind
little
us that
chair.
the cost of liberty is measured not in
Come
words, but in who those
Chairs
words forget.
ought to swim.
My name is Helen, and I'm in second grade at Success Academy.
When you walk through our doors, you'll see lots of smiling faces.
There's beautiful colors everywhere. Success's classrooms create a welcoming and warm home for the kids.
When I saw all the kids with Success Academy uniforms, I say, I want my daughter in this school.
Kids are achieving higher than anywhere else.
Success Academy has an incredibly high standard. We not only believe that our kids are capable of meeting it, we've seen them do it time and time again.